Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Malta? Let's explore. Construction is a well-paid job in Malta due to ongoing development projects across the islands. The average annual gross salary is around $25,000 or about $2,100 per month. After taxes, that's about $20,000 yearly or $1,700 monthly. Where you work makes a difference. In areas like Valletta or Slima, wages are generally higher, while smaller towns may offer slightly lower pay. New workers may earn around $17,000 a year, while experienced professionals can earn up to $30,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.